Make this in less than 55 minutes. I have double knit cotton yarn and 3.5mm hook. Make a slip knot and chain 4. Slip stitch to the 4th chain from the hook to form a ring. Chain 3. This counts as a double crochet, and double crochet 2 more times in the center of the ring. Chain 2. Now work 3 double crochets in the center of the circle. This is one corner of the square. Next you chain 2 and you double crochet again 3 times in the center, and then you chain 2 and then double crochet again 3 more times. You need to have 4 sides, and then we'll close this first round. And then to close this round, you chain 2 and you slip stitch in the top of the 3rd chain from the beginning. So 1, 2, 3. Each new color will be joined in one of the spaces from the corner, and with a slip knot join in the chain space and chain 3. This counts as a double crochet. Double crochet once, chain 2 to form the corner, and double crochet 2 more times in the chain space. And from this row onwards, you will start in the chain space, and then you will double crochet in each of the stitches until the next chain space. So we will make 1 double crochet, next in the next stitch another double crochet, another double crochet in the last stitch, and now we've reached the corner. And in the corner we will have 2 double crochets, followed by a chain 2, and 2 more double crochets. And continue working this pattern until you reach back to the chain 3 from the start. To end each round, you will simply slip stitch in the top of the 3rd chain from the beginning. For the last row, we are going to work single crochets. So join in the corner, chain space, chain 2, single crochet into the chain space. This will count as 2 single crochets here, chain 1, This is for the corner point, and then single crochet 2 more times in the chain space. And then we'll repeat what we did every other row, so in each except the first one, so skip 1 stitch, and then in the next one single crochet, and then single crochet in all of them until you reach the next corner. Like so. In the corner, 2 single crochets, chain 1, 2 single crochets, and then repeat. To close this round, just go through the chain 1 from the beginning and slip stitch. Make 2 of these squares, and then facing the wrong side, make them face each other on the wrong side, because we need to attach them on 3 sides. We will work this with a single crochet, like this. Make sure it's aligned, and it should work really smoothly. Now we are going to make the edge where we are going to put the straps. Chain 3, and we are going to double crochet into each stitch. Slip stitch on the top of the 3rd chain and fasten. To make the straps, the cords, you simply chain 60. Pull on the yarn, cut it, and I like to make a small knot at each end before I add it to the little satchel. And once you have both of them, we can add. Leave at least 1 or 2 double crochets when you start next to one of them, and then we are going to weave in and out every 2 double crochets. So 1, 2, we are going to weave out, then 1, 2, we are going to weave in, 1, 2, and we do this on both sides to reach this end, and then we are going to do the same, but we are going to put we are going to start from this side and we are going to finish on this side. When you have both ends on one side, I like to do another knot to have them together. And it's all finished. You can use them for yourself or you can sell at markets. I think they would be really, really cute and popular. So have fun making these. Until next time, bye bye.